Now, I want you to imagine if you could get paid every TikTok video that you watch, and all you're going to do is you will come to a website like this. There will be a TikTok page, copy a video, just right click to copy the link address and paste it in another one over here, so you can get money online for watching these simple TikToks. I've made about $114 this week just watching TikToks, and you can do this from all the countries around the world, including every single country in the world. So this is worldwide website. They accept Bitcoin, they accept PayPal, and they accept Scroll as a payment gateways. I want you to comment down below what you prefer as a payment method in your country, so I know what kind of videos to make based on your country. Also, this website I'm going to show you today pays every single day, so you can get paid every single day to watch TikTok videos, and the minimum payout is very small. It's like $5, and as long as you earn $5 in your account, you can get paid. So it doesn't have to be a ridiculous cap like $100 or anything like that. That takes months to get. So imagine with $5 you can literally cash out on the same day, on the same week, anything that you need, and you can do it from your phone or your PC. And you can do this no matter what you are doing in your day, whether if you are sitting on the office passing some time, or just want to make sure that you do something on your spare time in order to make money. This is something that you can do by watching these top videos. So no matter what you are doing, when you implement today's strategy, you will be able to see the same benefits that other people are actually getting. So I really want to help you guys to earn thousands of dollars a month. So if you click on the first link in the description, I'm gonna send you information on how you can get started to your email address. So with that said, let me take you to the computer and let's get started with today's strategy. In today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to go to is Twitch TV. And if you follow all the steps of this strategy, I'm gonna show you how you can actually make an extra income online by utilizing different platforms. So once that you're in Twitch TV, for example, we're gonna look for Fortnite. Okay, so Fortnite is a video game that most of you might know. Okay, so once that you are in Fortnite, let's see, this is the game. You're gonna see that they have got this specific account on Twitch, has got so many different videos and clips. The thing with videos, as you can see here, they are much longer, so it can go like 5 hours long, 4 hours long. So in order to download this, it will be a nightmare because it will take a lot of space. So what we are going to do instead, we're gonna concentrate on clips. And as you can see, with these short clips that has got 10k views, 4,000 views, you're gonna be able to make money. Okay, so for example, you will select, let's see, any of them. Okay, and then what you will do is you will click on them, and just for demonstration purposes, let me show you what you will do. Once that you're here, you're gonna copy the URL. Okay, so here where it says sharing, you're gonna click the link, and then what you're going to do is you're gonna go to a next website which is called Twitch.loader. Okay, so put Twitch.loader in Google, and then there are a few websites that are gonna appear. I want you to go to this one, which is called keepb.com. Then you're gonna be able to add your URL there, and you will be able to download your video. You know, it will be as simple as that, and then you will have the option to just download it straight in your computer. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. I want you to come over here. I want you to sign up with Twitch TV, and then you create your account, and then you're gonna start uploading these short clips in your account. And then what will happen is you're gonna have a bio, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, where you're gonna be able to promote this. Okay, and apart from this, once that you get that link, I'm gonna show you how you can actually make money with that. Okay, so you know, just take into consideration that when you click on it, it might redirect you to, you know, a spammy website, but then when you click here that load video, you see you will be able to download your video right away. Okay, and then what I want you to do next is you're gonna go to another website which is called, let me show you, it's okay.io. okay, and this website is good because what happens is you're gonna be able to shorten your URL. It's very easy actually to create an account. You can shorten your link and you can start making money, which means, you know, this link that you got from your Twitch, from your Twitch account, you could actually add it there, you know. So basically you could go and get the URL. Once that you have got the URL, then you'll be able to download the video, and then you'll be able to go to this website. And then on this website, what I want you to do, guys, is I just want you to come and sign up. And once that you sign up, as I say, whichever URL you have here, that's gonna give them the option of getting paid. Okay, so people are actually getting paid with this website. It's very simple. You can see the proof here. You can see all these big brands are actually backing up this company, so it's something that you can rely on. And if you want to see more proof, have a look at the payout rates. And then you're gonna see that the payouts rates for different countries are actually different when it comes to desktop. But just keep in mind that whichever link that you shorten, you're gonna be able to make money. Okay, so with that said, I want you to start building your account on here on Twitch TV, and then start uploading your videos. Then you will come to a next website, which will be TikTok. Okay, in TikTok, what you're gonna do is you actually as well gonna start uploading different videos. Okay, as well, you can see it here for now. Let's see what comes up, so it can give you an idea of what are the things that other people are actually posting. And then you will go into, okay, this is for my cookies. I need to accept the cookies. Let's accept them so I can go into a website, so you can see these videos that people are actually uploading has got thousands of views. So it's something that you can start uploading. Obviously it might take you a couple of days in order to have, like, you know, few dozen uploaded, but once that you have them upload, it's very simple. And then once that we create your TikTok account, here is when you're gonna put your link. Okay, you're gonna put your link that you're gonna create on this website that we say the shortener. Okay, so here you will get your link, and this link that we get from here, that perhaps you could just redirect them to your Fortnite account where people can watch more videos and you can get paid. That's the link that you're gonna be adding here on your bio. Okay, so as I say, go ahead, sign up with the Twitch TV first, then start uploading your videos. Then you're gonna come to TikTok, and then you're gonna start uploading your videos as well. Okay, once that you have enough traction, you're gonna have thousands of visitors. Then when whichever person clicks on this link, then you're gonna get paid. And you can see here, I'm gonna show you, as I show you the proof, these are the payout rates, and you can get paid either by desktop or by mobile. Okay, so it's very straightforward. You just need to make sure that you go your clips, and then once that you get your clip, you come into Keepbit, and then you download your video, and then you're gonna start uploading your videos in your account on Twitch TV, and then you're gonna start uploading your videos on TikTok, and then wanna put that link from ok.io on TikTok. Okay, so it's very straightforward. I can guarantee you that if you keep doing it, then you will be able to get some rewards from it, and you will be able to make money online. Okay, you have to make sure that you're downloading the right clips, then uploading, and then you can build up your profile. You know, obviously you're gonna need to have few, you know, like the more the better the videos, because that's gonna get more traction and more traffic to your link. That's the thing that we all want ultimate. The ultimate thing that we want to do is we want to bring people to this page so we can get paid for the click. At least we're getting paid when someone goes to our link, and then we can go back and refer them to our profile in Fortnite if you want to, right? But so you will get your profile link from this website, paste it on here, you will shorten it, and then that's the one that you will be adding on your bio. Okay, so huge potential. As you know, the gaming industry is blowing up. It doesn't have to be just gaming, you can do about anything really, but TikTok is a great way for creators to start getting paid by views, and as well start growing your online reputation and getting your traffic sorted, you know, so you can get exposure and people can click on this link and they get paid. For example, in this case, when someone clicks on this link, it's just gonna redirect them to another website where what they're actually doing is just they redirecting people to the YouTube channel, because they will be making money with that, you know. But instead of you redirecting to your YouTube channel, which you could do, you instead gonna get your link from your shortener, and then you're gonna send them to your Fortnite account. Okay, so guys, this is all I wanted to share with you for today's strategy. I hope that you found it valuable. I hope that you take massive action and you can get the same results that other people are getting. And additionally, if you want to make thousands of dollars a day, please click on the first link in the description, because there I will send you a free training to your email address with everything you need to get started. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day, a great week, and I will come very soon with more strategies that you can benefit from, so you can make extra money and achieve the financial freedom that you deserve online working for yourself. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day and speak to you soon. Take care now, guys.